Yes, Janella, it's a gorgeous day here in Toronto, and it's supposed to be a gorgeous long weekend. But as you just mentioned, the number of COVID cases has remained in the triple digits for some time now in Ontario, and officials are urging caution. They say this could be a crucial point in the fight. Entering the final long weekend of the summer can be bittersweet, and this year especially. For many, it's one last chance to take advantage of outdoor spaces with friends and family where it is safer to gather and easier to physically distance.
I don't know, it's almost like taking you away to even though nobody can really go anywhere, but this is as close as it gets to a little escape and just enjoy.
Yeah, just going to the beach and being with family and having a good time.
Just chill in the park, the beach, enjoy it before summer ends.
But Labor Day weekend could also be a key moment in the renewed fight against COVID-19 this fall. That's according to the top doctor in the U.S. who is urging Americans not to let their guards down. And officials close to home are echoing that warning.
Please, don't be out there going to these big parties.
The Premier directed his message at younger individuals, aged 20 to 39, who today almost made a third of the total cases in the province. The Premier also speaking directly to residents of Peel Region, where cases have skyrocketed in recent weeks.
A lot of big parties in the backyards and no face masks. It's critical that we do it. So, folks in Peel, you can't be out there having tons of people over, no face masks.
In Toronto, restrictions will be in place all weekend to protect the public.
We anticipate a resurgence of COVID-19 in the fall.
Parts of the lakeshore will be closed for active TO on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. After 7 p.m. on Friday to Sunday, parking at a number of beaches will be closed, and a reminder that parks are closed after midnight.
We know that, a lot of people are going down to the beach, and we want to manage and make sure that people understand that we need to manage the crowds and the number of people.
And this weekend could prove to make or break all the progress the city has made so far to get the spread under control.
We do not want to regress into, a lockdown. We are seeing a slight increase in the number of COVID-19 cases with fall approaching. When people start to move indoors, now more than ever is when we need to remember to continue to practice those fundamentals of public health through this pandemic.
While those in the province face no restrictions on going to the cottage, other provinces are still urging a pause on non-essential travel. The Atlantic provinces and some territories still outright prohibiting outsiders from entering their bubble. The city manager says the vast majority of people are compliant, but there are always outliers. For instance, we know there have been beach parties and bonfires after hours here at Cherry Beach. We know DJs have been setting up illegally. So they have all been ticketed, and enforcement officers will be out throughout the weekend.